Today we are going to learn about animal parts. What kind of pet do you have? Do you have a pet dog or a cat? How about a bird? Some of us have fish as pets or even rabbits. But do you know there are other animals as well? Some of them can be found in zoos. Have you ever been to a zoo? Don't worry, I'll bring you there. This this is a zoo. We can find lions, bears, monkeys, and tigers inside zoos. These animals are cared for inside zoos, but they are actually from forests or from the wild. Yee. And in the wild, there are also snakes, foxes, and many more. We can also find animals on farms. Some of them are pigs, cows, and chickens. They are cared for in farms because they produce foods that we consume, such as ham, eggs, and milk. Here are examples of other animals. Can you name some of them? Good job! Like us, the animals have also different body parts. Just like us, they have heads, trunk or the body, and limbs. Let's start with the heads. All animals have heads. Some animals have ears that can be seen. Others have ears inside their heads that cannot be seen or are not visible, just like snakes and fishes. The lion has a hair just like ours, and it is called mane. Let's talk about horns. Some animals have horns that they use to protect themselves, just like carabaos, goats, rhinos, and moose. Trunks. The snake has a trunk which doesn't have any limbs, while the lion has a strong and thick trunk which has limbs attached to it. Some animals have limbs and some do not. Let's talk about birds. This is a bird. It has a head which has eyes and its beak. Instead of a mouth, birds have beaks. And it also has wings. How about fish? Here is a fish. A fish has a head, a trunk, and instead of limbs, they have fins and tails. Here is an octopus. The octopus has a head and trunk, but instead of limbs or legs, they have tentacles. Insects. How many limbs does insects have? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The ladybug has 6 limbs. Same with the ants and flies. But most insects have 6 limbs, but not all. Animals have different body parts, but they are all equally created by God. So we should all take care and love them. That's all for today. Goodbye.